Hello guys, let me teach you how to encase your boning neatly, like your regioning boning. So you're going to fold your fabric in a bias or triangle form, and you measured the wideness of your bias that you want. So for me, I use 2.5 inches, and I'm going to be cutting as many as possible because you need as many as possible bias, so that even if it is more than enough, you're good to go. So this is me cutting enough that I know I would need when I'm sewing this overbust corset. So the tutorial for today is just on how to encase your boning. So this is the 2.5 inches. Now I'm using a 0.5 inch boning, a 4/8 or 0.5 inch boning, and I'm going to be folding it. Now this is the trick of it. So place it on your strap like this. Just follow my process, and you're going to fold it like this. Then after that, you are also going to fold into two again. Then you now fold it on top of your boning. So let's do it again. Place your boning in between your bias strap, fold again, let it stop at the middle, then fold again. That is why I said you need 2.5 inches wideness of your bias strap, and you're going to be sewing at the tip of it. So when you sew at the tip of it, your boning is not going to shift, so just make sure it is tight enough. And after that, this is how to encase your regioning boning. Now I already have this one that I have made. I'm just showing you this. Then you're going to place it on your overbust or anything you're sewing with it, and you just sew. So this is a short tutorial. Bye guys.